Hi, it's Immobiliser fit. What we fitted today is a Starline i96 Pro on this 2022 Jaguar F-Pace. So the way the system works, if someone was tried to clone the key or do a relay attack, get in and start the vehicle, as soon as they go to select a gear, the vehicle will stall. So this system can be disarmed using either a PIN code or the customer's phone as authorization, so they can drive the vehicle away. So what we'll do is the PIN code for now. So first, ignition on, pop the code in, we've set 1, 2, 3. Hear your melody. Now start up and select a gear, and you'll see the vehicle doesn't stall. If the customer didn't want to use the PIN code and wanted to just use their phone, this is done by simply pairing it to Bluetooth. Make sure it's connected to the app and you've got your green circle. Simply get in the vehicle, start it, and you'll hear your melody straight away. Now you can select your gear. No need for a PIN code. If they wanted to take it for a service, take it back to Jaguar and didn't want to give them the PIN code or the phone, they can put it into what's called service mode, so the immobiliser doesn't exist. The way you do that is press and hold on the app so the ring around the outside goes yellow. Release and we'll get 2 bleeps. So this is now a normal car, this is in service mode. So you can take it back to Jaguar, they can service it, and the system doesn't exist. So select your gear, it doesn't stall, and they can drive it around the workshop, do what they need to do. When you get it back, simply hop back into the app, do the same thing in reverse, press and hold till it goes green. Release, get your 2 bleeps, and this vehicle is protected again. If the customer wants to change the code at any point, they can change it to anything between 3 and 21 presses, and this is how it's done. So if you don't have your phone on you, ignition on and disarm the system with the PIN code. 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody. Now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So now it's ready to learn the code. So we'll change it to this rear button here. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. Repeat the code again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. And that's the code learnt. So we'll just turn the ignition off and give that a test. So with the phone disconnected, make sure Bluetooth's off. And we'll just use the PIN code. So ignition on. New code. 1, 2, 3. Melody, start and select a gear. And the vehicle doesn't stall. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle and want it protected, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.